and may stop momentarily. For your safety, remain seated at all times. During your slow-moving journey, your time machine will slowly rotate backwards and may stop momentarily. For your safety.
This is Spaceship Control. Welcome aboard. On the map in front of you, please show us where you're from while frequent your time travel. Now locate the monitor overhead to the right. Make sure your face is clearly visible and wait for the flash. Good. Sending photo to the future. All systems are go. Linking now to your guide.
Like a grand and miraculous spaceship, our planet is sailing through the universe with time, and for a brief moment, we have been among its passengers. But where are we going? And what kind of future will we discover? Surprisingly, the answers lie in our past. Since the dawn of recorded history, we've been inventing the future one step at a time. So, let's travel back in time together. I'll show you how our ancestors created the world we know today. And then it will be your turn to create the world of tomorrow. In this hostile world is where our story began. We are in, struggling to survive, until we learn to communicate with one another. Now we can have a team and survive together. It takes 15,000 years to come up with the next bright idea, recording our knowledge on cave walls. There was only one small problem. When we moved, the recorded knowledge stayed behind. Now let's move ahead to ancient Egypt, because something is about to happen here that will change the future forever. This unknown Egyptian pounding reeds back is inventing papyrus, a sort of paper. Papyrus in turn creates better record keeping, plans, designs, and unfortunately accents. But it also brings with it the dawn of great civilizations. At this point, each civilization has its own form of writing, which none of the others can understand. But the Phoenicians, who trade with Rome, have a solution. They create a simple common alphabet, adaptable to most languages. Remember how easy it was to learn your ABCs? Like the Phoenicians. They invented. The Romans created powerful empires. To keep their armies around, they built a system of roads all over the known world. Rome built the first worldwide web, and it's leading us into the future. But then we hit a roadblock. Rome falls, and the great library of Alexandria in Egypt is burned. Much of our learning is destroyed, lost forever. Or so we think. It turns out there are copies of some of these books in the libraries of the Middle East, being watched over by Arab the future. In the meantime, here in Europe, monks toil endlessly recording books by hand. But that is about to change. In 1450, Gutenberg invents the movable type printing press. Now knowledge can travel as fast as these new books. And travel as a result of this incredible explosion of innovation we call the Renaissance. Technology races head-on into the future, and soon people all over the world are sharing life's most important moments faster than ever before.
Auditory Utah.
Climb aboard an aeroplane yesterday in November. And today we received word that a alien craft and techniques have landed event sound in Wales. Today, June 19, 1928, will forever be known as...
By now, we're communicating from anywhere on Earth, and in 1969, from somewhere else.
That's one small step for man,
Time machine vehicle will begin
giant leap for mankind.
Please remain seated. We'll resume our journey shortly. Thank you.
At the 1936 Olympics in Berlin. Jesse Owens leaps into history. This humble young man wins again at the Olympics, proving to the world that champions come in all places, free down
across the Atlantic. We saw the figure of the pretty, smiling aviatrix climb aboard
New York welcomes 1936 Olympic hero Jesse Owens, winner of 4 gold medals in Berlin. World Olympic football,
at last event sound in Wales. Today, June 19, 1928, will forever be known.
Remain seated. Your vehicle will begin moving immediately. Remain seated, please. Our travels will resume now.
To send a man to the moon, we had to invent a new language, spoken not by man, but by computers. At first very large and expensive, but we see the future. What if everyone could have one of these amazing machines in their life? Young people with a passion for shaping the future put the power of the computer in everyone's hands. Together we form a super network that glows with billions of interactions. And once again, we stand on the brink of a new renaissance.
Preparation for your return to Earth, your time machine is now rotating backward. Please remain seated. Attention, you are now rotating backward for your return to Earth. Please remain seated, time travelers. Attention, travelers.
For the first time in history, all of us can have a say about the kind of world we want to live in. The choices we have made for the past 30,000 years have been inventing the future one day at a time. And now, it's your turn. Let's have some fun creating the future, shall we? On your computer screen, answer a few questions for us. Then we'll show you a new world, custom made just for you. Ready? That we happen to know about. And now I believe your future is just about ready. Let's take a look, shall we?
Welcome to the future. Or should I say, your future. Here in your future, getting away on vacation is a breeze. Your smart suitcase knows where you're going and what you'll need. And with solar power from your home fueling station, you're off. You won't have to worry about your pets while you're gone, thanks to handy household robots. You'll leave your city home in an ultra-light, ultra-powerful, totally networked family car that can take you anywhere. Since you like to wing it, your virtual travel agent gives you options for hotels and restaurants along the way. You can just relax and take things as they come. Getting there is half the fun, so your family car will be equipped with virtual tools to teach you about the world outside your window. You'll travel quickly and safely to places you can't imagine visiting today. And the moment you arrive at your ultimate vacation destination, you're out of this world and into the future. The end. Or should I say the beginning of your future.
So here's to the next 30,000 years on Spaceship Earth. While no one knows for sure what we'll see or do, I do know it will be quite an adventure. An adventure that we'll take and make together. See you in the future.
Welcome back, time travelers. Now, we invite you to visit Project Tomorrow, where new ideas and innovations are being developed to make the world a better place.
Your vehicle doors will open automatically. Please keep your hands away from the doors and step carefully onto the moving platform.